Hello everyone, we look at how to run Olama on Jarvis Lab if you don't have so much compute on your computer. So this is Olama. If you all know, it can run local LLM. You don't need to download it and do all the manual thing. It takes care of it. So you just need to go to Jarvis Labs. Then you need to go to the dashboard. There is a template for Olama. So there is already a template for Olama. You just need to take an instance. I'm taking a 6000 instance. I'm just taking 4 servers to make it quick. I'm having a good storage of around 380, and then I'm going to launch this instance. So everything that I'm doing is in front of you live. I am creating this instance, a server allocated, and it is coming up. I open the Jupyter notebook. Again, I just reload it. It takes a couple of seconds to open the instance, the network, and then I am going to run the notebook. So it's just going to take a couple of minutes. So this is for people who don't have too much space in their system. They want to do that. So the first command that we have to do is Olama pull. So we need to download the model, right? Olama pull Llama 3.2. So this is getting the specific downloading the specific thing, and it will just take a couple of seconds to pull this, and if you can see, it is using the GPUs, and it is done. So we are using a lot of GPUs here, and we are using a database. We are just trying to show you a demo with you can do Olama pull. You can download all the available open source model that is available, that is there. So now this is done. If you can see, this is done over verifying. Now what we'll do is Olama run Llama 3.2. So pull is for downloading it, and running is for running the specific Olama. So now what is your knowledge cutoff date? So this is my knowledge cutoff date is currently December 2023. So this is how we quickly run Olama on Jarvis Labs quickly for our work. So this is the power of Jarvis Labs and running Olama. You can connect this to your Python code, and you can get an endpoint from here and use it for your projects. See you in the next video.